Good morning, dear students. Hope you have understood the rules of subject-verb agreement. On the basis of those rules, let us do this exercise, exercise 1, page number 44. The question is, correct the following sentences and state your reasons for so doing. The first question is, he with his father were among the first to arrive. So in place of were, it should be was, because when two subjects are connected with as well as or with, the verb should be used according to the first subject. The verb follows the first subject. Here first subject is singular, that's why singular verb is used. Number 2, their lives, their liberties and their religion is in danger. Here it should be are, because there are three subjects connected by and. Number 3, Mr. Smith with his wife and children live next door. So in place of live, lives should be there, because there are two subjects, Mr. Smith, his wife and children, connected with, and the verb should follow the first subject, that is Mr. Smith. It is singular, that's why we have used lives. We know with singular subject we use verb plus s. Number 4, the fleet are under orders to sail. Fleet is collective noun. Collective noun takes a singular verb when it stands for the collection as a whole. So here the fleet is taken as a whole and we have used is instead of are. Number 5, 50 miles are a long distance. In place of are, it should be is. 50 miles is a long distance because expression of time, money and distance are treated as singular. Some specific amount is expressed as a whole number. It is treated as a whole number, that's why is correct. Number 6, the books borrowed from the library is on my desk. Here are should be used because we are talking about the books plural. That's why plural verb is used. Number 7, the boss as well as his colleagues have been robbed. Here again two subjects, the boss, his colleagues, connected with as well as. So the verb should follow the first subject, the boss. The boss is singular, so we have used singular verb, that is has. We know very well that with singular subject we use has and with plural subject we use have. Number 8, many a student have made the same mistake. In place of have, it should be has. Many a student has made the same mistake, because each, every, many a take a singular verb. Next, number 9, neither his father nor his brothers help him. Here two subjects, his father, his brothers, are connected by nor, but one subject is singular and one subject is plural. So the plural subject should be placed near the verb and the verb should agree the nearer subject. So here his brothers plural, we have used help. That means this sentence is correct. No need to correct it. Number 10, the quality of the books are poor. Error of proximity. Proximity means nearness. The verb should not agree with a noun near it. Here the verb should not be according to the noun near it. It should not be according to the books. It should be according to the subject, and the subject is the quality. Quality is singular. We are not talking about the books. We are talking about the quality of the books is poor. Chapter 8, subject-verb agreement. In each of the following sentences, supply a verb in agreement with its subjects. Number 1, to take pay and then not to do work is dishonest, because to take pay and then not to do work is considered a singular subject. That's why singular verb is used. Number 2, the cost of all these articles has risen. Error of proximity. The verb should not be according to the noun nearer to it. The verb should be according to the subject. Here we are not talking about the articles. We are talking about the cost of all these articles. We are talking about the cost. That's why we have used singular verb, that is has. You know very well that with singular subject we use has, and with plural subjects we use have. Number 3, the jury are or were divided in their opinions. Here jury is collective noun, so it should take singular verb. But when in collective noun members are taken individually, then we use plural verb. So here the jury, here the members of jury are taken individually. Number 4, that night every one of the boat's crew was down with fever. Everyone, each, many a, they take singular verb. They should be followed by singular verb. So was is used. Number 5, the price of these jeans is reasonable. Again, error of proximity should be avoided. Here is not used according to these jeans. Is used according to the price of these jeans. We are talking about the price of these jeans. That's why singular verb is used. Number 6, physics is his main subject. Some nouns which are plural in forms but singular in meaning take a singular verb. Physics, S is there, but physics is one subject. That's why is used. 30 rupees is not much for all the trouble we have taken. Is used. When a plural noun denotes some specific quantity as a whole, the verb is singular. Moreover, expression of time, distance, money are considered singular. 30 rupees, expression of money, take singular verb. Number 8, The Woodlanders is an interesting novel. Here, The Woodlanders is the name of one book, of a book. So singular verb is used. Number 9, neither Kapil nor his wife is at home. When two singular subject, Kapil, his wife, singular subjects are connected by either or, neither nor, then the verb is singular. Both the subjects are singular. Number 10, neither the manager nor the workers are present. So if one subject is singular, the manager, and another subject is plural, that is the workers, so the verb should be placed near the plural subject and the verb should be according to the plural subject. One subject is singular and one subject is plural. So the plural subject should be placed near the verb and the verb should be according to the plural subjects. That's why are is used. That is all. Thank you.